Good morning, students. And today's important topic is about adjectives. In the last class, I explained you nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Today, let me see the definition of adjectives and we'll see the different types of adjectives in English. So, you know very well what is actually use of a adjective. Adjective is a word which describes or that describes about noun or pronoun. When a word is going to describe something about noun or pronoun, it is also called as what here? Adjective. So rather we can use another definition also. It is also used to describe or add. Describe, either add something to the noun or pronoun. It is also called as noun or pronoun is also called as here adjective. So hope you that I'll use a small example, you will understand very clearly. See this example, all of you. This is an example. See this sentence, small sentence I am writing here. Vijay is a boy. I have wrote this one. Vijay is a boy. So all you know that this is a masculine gender. I have written Vijay is a boy. Yes, often there is a nothing quality which is mentioned in the word. If you want to add something to a person with a quality, then that is called a adjective. In this sentence, hope you that I have written another sentence changing with writing with like this. Vijay is a good boy. I have written. Then what is the difference you are finding in the first sentence and second sentence? It is a simple sentence without any quality. Vijay is a boy. Second one, in the second sentence I have used a word called good. In this one, we are showing the quality of a Vijay. What quality is having for a Vijay? He is having a quality of good. See, when you are adding something to the noun or pronoun, either by adding quality, quantity, number, etc. When you are using all these things, we can use our concept of adjective. Hope you that I'll give number of examples in this class. You will understand one by one clearly. See, there are different types of adjectives are there in English. They are classified into different types. First, let me explain the types of adjectives. So, how many types of adjectives are there? First, number one is called as adjectives of quality. When you are mentioning the quality based adjective, how it looks like, we'll see. Second one is called as adjectives of quantity. The third one is called as adjectives of numbers. Fourth one is called as demonstrative adjectives. Fifth one is called as interrogative adjectives. Fifth one is called as interrogative adjectives. I have given a few number of adjectives. We will see one by one with the examples. Interrogative adjectives. So there are different types. How to identify this type of adjectives? Next one, when you are using adjectives in a class, how it looks like. We'll see one by one with different types of examples. See here, the types of adjectives are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjective of numbers, adjectives, demonstrative adjective, next interrogative adjective.
Now, I explained you the different types of adjectives. Now we go completely into the types of the adjectives. I'll give you the different examples. First one, adjectives of quality. Just now I explained that the words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun. When you are using in a sentence, just now I explained that in the sentence, if you are giving the mentioning the quality of a noun or a pronoun, either for a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjectives of a quality. See these examples. Somu is a lazy person. Somu is a lazy person. In this one, lazy is a type of a quality. Just now I explained that a quality can be positive or a negative quality. Both the qualities can be taken as consideration for the adjective. What is the quality here? This Somu is a lazy person. So this is the adjective. This adjective mentions the quality of a noun called Somu. See the second example, instead of taking, rather than taking the noun, here I have taken the pronoun. What is the pronoun here? She. She has a black horse. She has a black horse. Here we are using the quality, that is the color of the horse is what here? Black. So this is also adjective of the sentence. See, there are two examples I have given. We can write numerous examples with adjectives of quality. Second one, adjectives of quantity. Just I explained you, quality and quantity is different. Quality, we are talking about the quality of a person, either positive or a negative. Quantity means how much large, how much big, how much small, how much the size of the sentence we can understand. See this one, the word that tells about the quantity of a noun or a pronoun, which is going to describe about the quantity. In what way it is going to describe the quantity? Say, take one example, you will understand. I have enough money. I have enough money. In this one, the adjective is what here? Enough. See, I am using the pronoun what here? I. So, the question comes here. When you are using this type of sentences in exams, how to identify the adjective? You can easily identify the adjective here. It mentions the quantity. What quantity here? The questions comes whether it is a small some quantity or a little quantity. We can understand here. So another example, I want some money. I want some money. These two examples states that the adjectives of quantity. First one, adjectives of quality, and another one is adjectives of quantity. Third one we will see adjectives of numbers. Students, now we will see the next types of adjectives. Adjectives of numbers. Adjectives of numbers are the adjectives, the words that describe exact number. In the sentence, you can see the exact numbers. Number of things that is in a sentence is called as adjectives of numbers. Take one example. Ramu has 2 books here. See here, 2 stands for here, number here. How many number of books are there? Ramu is having 2 books here. It denotes 2 books here. That type of adjectives are called adjectives of numbers. Take another example in this sentence. This is the first edition of the book here. See this underline for all of you very clearly. It is going to mention the number here. How many, for which edition it is? Question comes here, which edition? It is the first edition. Take another example, the same thing. If your book is being printing for the second and third edition, then the sentences change as this is the second edition of the book. This is the third edition of the book. Here, first, second and third are called as the numbers. They comes under adjectives of numbers. Come to the next one, that is demonstrative adjectives here. What is the demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is referred to. It is going to point out for a specific thing. Either we are using in a noun or a pronoun. See here, this man is braver than Gopi. Here, we are pointing out that this person is more braver than what here? Gopi. So, this is a particular sentence which you are using as a demonstrative adjective here. In this one, which one is the demonstrative adjective here? This is the demonstrative adjective. See, another example. That boy is intelligent. In the class, teacher is finding out that boy is very intelligent, right? So, when the teacher is giving or finding out a particular person, here pointing out is very important here. What it is pointing? That boy is intelligent. He is saying, in the group of students, he is saying that that boy is very intelligent. That boy is intelligent. So, here that is what here, this and that are called what here? Demonstrative adjectives. Like as there are three adjectives are there, this, that and those. These three adjectives are called as demonstrative adjective. We will see another type of adjective that is called interrogative adjective. So there is another type of adjective we are talking is interrogative adjectives. So first see the definition of interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. When you are using this type of sentences, when you are writing, that sentences always ask certain type of question. That question which is going to ask with a noun or a pronoun. So that is what we are calling as interrogative adjectives. Once again, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Note one point that when you are using the interrogative adjectives, WH words are used with the nouns to ask a question, either noun or a pronoun. So WH words are used with the nouns to ask a question. What the WH words here? We will see here one cycle, you can understand here. Interrogative sentences, what type of WH words are there in English? Who, whose, whom, which and what. So first one is who, second one is whose, third one is whom, fourth one is which, and the next one is what. When you are using this verse in the sentence, these words are actually used for interrogative, asking the question. See here, one example, which book is yours? Question mark. Which book is yours? Here which is a interrogative adjective. So in general we are asking a question, which book is yours? There are a group of books are there. In that we are asking which book is that? When you are asking, when you are using sentences, which is your interrogative adjective. Another question, see here, another example now. What kind of man is he? Question mark. What kind of man is he? We are asking a question to someone that to interrogate that what type of person he was. Okay, in such cases we are using what here? We are using a word called what with a WH. What kind of man is he? Question mark. So when you are using students this type of sentences, you need to understand the specific parts of speech. Which parts of speech is a noun, which one is a pronoun, which one is a verb part, and which one is an adjective. Hope you that everybody understood this class. We will see with another concept in another session. Thank you very much.